Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this beautiful Indian traditional Bengali makeup look. I created this look for one of my friends, Ashirwad. It was a daytime ceremony, so this look was perfect, and if you are a housewife, you can carry this off like nobody's business. So let's get started with prepping our skin. For that I'm using the Dermaco 4% Urea Deep Moisturizing Cream. This is infused with lactic acid and ceramides that not only exfoliates gently to deal with dead skin cells but also moisturizes your skin. This moisturizer also repairs and heals your skin's natural barrier, so if you have desert dry skin, this will deal with that. You can apply it on your face, on your body. This is fragrance free and suitable for all skin type. As this is a daytime look, so definitely I'm going to use a sunscreen. For that I'm using the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. This is a staple in my skincare routine. This comes with SPF of 50, PA4+, and hyaluronic acid that hydrates your skin, vitamin E that reduces sun damage. And also you guys, whenever you are applying sunscreen, always remember to apply it on your ears, on your neck and other exposed areas of your body. Every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. Don't forget to use my coupon code on their website for extra 20% off. Next I'm using a lip balm to hydrate and moisturize my lips. Once that is done, I'm using this primer. Now this is really good if you have oily skin and in the daytime I sweat a lot, so this primer is perfect for me. Now I'm using this skin tint instead of a foundation because I want my base to look really nice and natural, and this is perfect for daytime because it contains SPF of 50 that gives you extra sun protection. Alright, now to hide my dark circles, I'm using a concealer but very sparingly because this is a full coverage concealer, so use a very small amount. Then I'm using this oil control compact to set my foundations and concealers into place. It also has a little bit of coverage that makes your skin look really nice and even. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes today and both of them are very affordable. First I'm using a brown shade as my transition color, and then I'm taking another light brown shade to blend the edges. I'm not taking any extra product. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna contour my nose with it. Next I'm taking this beautiful shimmery shade from the Swiss Beauty palette and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Next taking this matte brown shade from this palette to fill in the gaps of my brows, and look how beautiful it looks. Also using the same shade on my bottom lash line to add some color. This look was incomplete without an eyeliner, and for that I'm using this matte black liner from Mamaearth and I'm creating this beautiful wing with it. Lastly, to finish off the eyes, I'm using 2 coats of mascara. Moving on to the cheeks, using this beautiful matte coral blush from La Mer. This is very affordable but it looks so beautiful. For my highlighter, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow highlighter on all of the highest points of my face and it looks so pretty. For my lips today, I'm using the Colourpop Just a Tint and I've been using this a lot lately because of the color. Look at that. And yep, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.